Hello everyone. Today I am going to present our work Multi-Person Implicit Reconstruction from a Single Image. In this paper, we address the problem of reconstructing occluded humans in a scene from a single image, and the aim is to obtain correct spatial arrangement of people in the scene. As you can see, the front and the top views of the spatial coherent reconstruction from a real single image. However, existing multi-human reconstruction methods suffer from following limitations. Model-based methods do not capture accurate 3D shape detail. Manual intervention is required to resolve occlusions or interactions. We address these problems in this paper through following contributions. We introduce the first approach for model-free implicit reconstruction of multiple people from a single image with accurate spatial arrangement. A multiple-person synthetic image 3D dataset of multi-person scenes with interperson occlusions, realistic clothing, hair, poses, scenes, and illumination is proposed. An end-to-end framework is introduced using multitask network for simultaneous implicit 3D reconstruction and 6 degree of freedom location orientation estimation. And finally, a method that exploits the advantages of volumetric and implicit 3D shape representations to obtain detailed reconstructions of clothed people. Our proposed learning-based method performs multi-person spatially coherent reconstruction without any manual intervention by first estimating instance segmentation and depth using existing multitask encoder-decoder network from a single image, followed by the second multitask network that estimates implicit 3D reconstruction and 6 degree of freedom spatial location of each person simultaneously by exploiting the depth and instance segmentation, as shown figure here. The proposed end-to-end network is trained on a novel MPSD dataset introduced in this paper. For each human instance, an implicit 3D surface is estimated using an intermediate volumetric voxel-based representation to allow reconstructions from a wide range of poses. The intermediate representation is obtained using multi-view voxel-based 3D shape estimation inspired by our previous work. This is trained on multiple views for a more accurate reconstruction from a single image. However, this gives a quantized voxel output with low resolution. In this paper, we produce high-resolution reconstruction through an additional network that performs implicit function-based refinement on the voxel output, giving a high resolution and more complete 3D shape of clothed people, exploiting features from voxels, image, and depth, using hybrid representation learning. The per-person 3D reconstructions from the implicit refinement are unaligned in different coordinate systems, leading to spatially incoherent output and incorrect world coordinates. To create a spatially coherent 3D reconstruction from a single image, 6 degree of freedom spatial location and orientation is estimated for each person. The instance segmentation and depth is exploited in 6 degree of freedom location estimation to produce a spatially coherent output. The proposed network is trained on a new multiple people synthetic dataset, MPSD, with image 3D pairs of varying number of people in the images, 3D ground truth, instance segmentation, and depth maps. The MPSD dataset is generated in 3 steps. As seen here, clothed 3D human model generation, motion sequence application on these models, and the multi-view realistic rendering of the models with random placement without intersections. 400 male and female 3D human models with a wide variation in hair, clothing, pose, and random positions are generated for various motion sequences for more complete and accurate 3D shape estimation. This dataset consists of varying number of people from 2 to 10 at random positions in the scene. Here a few example images from the MPSD dataset are shown along with the results from the proposed method. We crop the image of one person with no occlusions from propose the MPSD dataset for fair single-person reconstruction evaluation with existing state-of-the-art methods PyFu, PyFu-HT, MVVRN, and DeepHuman. Qualitative comparison is shown in figure on the left, and quantitative evaluation is shown in the figure on the right. The comparison demonstrates that the proposed method gives a high-resolution reconstruction comparable to PyFu-HT and significantly better than PyFu, MVVRN, DeepHuman. The quality and the completeness of the reconstruction in the unseen parts of the objects are better compared to PyFu-HT. The results against multiple people 3D shape estimation methods, FOSSA and VIBE, are shown here on the MPSD dataset. Both FOSSA and VIBE estimate the SMPL model of each person in the scene, unlike the proposed method, which gives model-free, realistic reconstruction of people, which align with the object boundaries more closely, especially in the case of loose clothing. Results on the real dataset, CVSSP 3D and Bellin dataset against FOSSA and VIBE are shown here. The 3D reconstructions demonstrate that the proposed method outperforms existing methods on both real and synthetic datasets, in both the quality and coherency of the reconstruction. Results are comparative evaluation on Vlasic and the human datasets against PyFu-HT and MVVRN shows that the proposed method significantly outperforms existing methods on real datasets. Thanks for listening.